Hello guys, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset your Huawei FreeBuds SE second. But first, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. First of all, make sure that your earbuds are connected to the phone. And if they are, you'll see the status connected and the battery percentage in your settings. Now, find these sensors, press and hold them, and you'll see that this indicator will start blinking white. Then, the indicator will be blinking red. I'm gonna show you now. This process will take you about 10 seconds. As you can see, it is blinking white. So now it's red and we can release our fingers. As you can see, they automatically go in a pairing mode, and that means that our earplugs has been successfully reset. Also, they automatically disconnected from my phone, and we need to reconnect them again to use. So that's all for now. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.